The Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro are finally here, and unsurprisingly, both phones have their own design and character. Nothing Phone 4a come in white, black, blue, and pink, featuring a new Glyph Bar notification system with brighter, individually controllable mini LEDs. The redesigned interface uses 9 mini LEDs across 6 square segments, reportedly 40% brighter than previous models. It has a 6.78-inch OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution with 120 Hz refresh rate. Peak brightness climbs to 4,500 nits, and the screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 7i. On the back will feature a 50MP main, a 50MP telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom and an 8MP ultrawide, a 32MP front-facing shooter. The phone runs on the Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 chipset. It's paired with 8GB or 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Features a 5080 mAh battery with 50W wired charging support. The Phone 4a will start at only $349. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.